How to fix iPhone not ringing. So if your iPhone is not ringing, these are the few steps you should take. First, locate the action button to check whether it is set to ring or it is set to silent mode. So if you see silent mode on, that shows your phone is set to silent mode. So go ahead and set this to silent mode off by using the action button. Now you want to check whether you set up a particular ringtone on your iPhone. To do this, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, click on sounds and haptics. Come to it say ringtone and alert. If this is reduced to 0, basically that is silent mode. Make sure you increase this to the maximum. That is the ringtone and alert. Again, come to where you say ringtone. Click on it. Make sure a ringtone is selected. At least one ringtone is selected. So it could be default and it could be your personal ringtone. Again, you want to check whether focus mode is enabled. If focus mode is enabled, your iPhone is not going to ring out. Scroll down the control center, then click on focus. If do not disturb is turned on or your custom focus mode is turned on and is set to silence your phone, you want to go ahead and turn it off. Once that is turned off, that should make your iPhone to ring out. And you also want to check whether your iPhone is connected to a Bluetooth device. So go to your iPhone settings. On the settings, click on Bluetooth. Literally, if your iPhone is connected to a Bluetooth device, it should say connected. So you can see in my case, I have not connected. That shows my Bluetooth is not connected to a device. So you can try to turn off your iPhone Bluetooth and then put a call through to your iPhone to say if your iPhone is going to ring out. And also, you want to check whether you turn on silence unknown callers. In that case, if a number you do not save on your iPhone called you, your iPhone will silence the caller automatically. To check this, while on settings, scroll down and click on apps. Scroll down the apps page and then click on phone. Under phone, you want to scroll down until say silence unknown callers. So if this is set to silence, make sure you disable it and set this to never. And lastly, you want to force restart your iPhone. To force restart your iPhone, press the volume up button once, the volume down button once, and then press and hold the power button until your iPhone restarts itself. Volume up, volume down, then press and hold the side button. You have to do this quickly. Once you see slide to power off, keep holding the side button on your iPhone. Your iPhone is going to turn off itself and it's going to pop the Apple logo. Once the Apple logo appears, then you can let go the side button. So this is if your iPhone is not ringing because there is a glitch, this will be able to fix it for you. So you just need to hang on until your iPhone is turned on and you should be able to use your iPhone now, and then your iPhone should be able to ring out without stress. And then you are good. So that is basically how to fix iPhone not ringing. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.